What's up, guys? Welcome back to HCTV, and today I'm so excited. Today I'm going to a Georgetown siren test. Impressive, huh? Let's go. So we are on the road in my car. We're almost at Sunk City. Sunk City. We're at Sunk City. Not Sunk City.
Like on the way to Destin if we stayed overnight.
I meant to say Sun City. We're at Sun City.
Yeah, and if we just took it locally, we could stay at Brad's house, and we could.
That's true.
We could. I mean, if we did anything in the hill country area.
Mommy, you got my headphones? Please tell me you have my headphones.
Yes, sir.
I need to put them on right now. Guys, when you get this, you're gonna get so freaked out with the siren sound. Are you kidding me? You have to make me do this. This hurts. Hey, I can. Oh, there's a siren!
Yeah, baby.
My look, I got extra protection.
Good boy.
Extra protection, guys.
Still have 8.
I got a hoodie and headphones. Yeah.
What even is this place?
Yeah, I am fancy like a hoodie with some headphones. Going to a siren test. Yeah. Look, there's a beautiful siren. Why are you biking so close to it?
We can back up if you want. I was just finding the shade.
Yeah, fancy like.
As it gets closer, we can back up if you want to. Alright, let's see.
Alright, I'm gonna get on the thing to the front.
No, you're not coming up front. There's no room, baby.
I wanna see the siren now.
Here.
No, close the windows. No, close it. I don't want to hear it all day. I don't want to hear it so loud. Like it's going to be crazy.
Great.
Yeah, this is a good place. Dad, why'd you bike so close to it? Guys, it doesn't look so close, but we're close in real life. Dad, I'll tell you when it starts turning. That's me.
You're doing
Alright guys, we're at the siren. I'm going to start my video up because it's going to go off in 2 minutes. Can't wait. Stupid thing.
Right here, it's flat.
It has a hill.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay, they can see a siren. La 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 la. Stop it, Dad.
He's trying to make it.
This looks a little bit too straight.
It's straight.
Super straight.
Yep, it's great.
Too straight.
Oh, 1 minute. Oh,
1
Should we crack the windows a little bit?
just a little. Just a little.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
You can roll it up if it's too loud.
minute. What? No. There better be someone walking out.
You want us to do the countdown again?
No.
Oh, okay.
Dad, why do you want to hear it like that?
Oh, we don't have to.
We're going to be able to hear it just fine with the windows up.
Just hold up. I'm going to be surprised if someone's ears get hurt. Super surprise.
Get ready. Any second, buddy.
Any minute, too.
Yeah.
I mean, any second.
Let's do, you want to do like a 10-second
There,
countdown?
there it goes.
It's moving.
There it goes. It's gonna go off. It's not too bad this time.
Good. Yeah, we were standing like right up close to it. Here it comes.
When's it gonna go down?
It does this for like 2 minutes, I think.
Ooh. Nice. I like the siren.
Yeah, it does 2 rounds of tests.
Everyone driving by this is like, what the heck? It's gonna go on again.
Yeah, it does another one, I think.
Is it gonna go off again?
I think so. Once it goes all the way completely quiet. Yeah.
Does no one know it's tornado siren day?
I don't know.
They're just walking here, not afraid, not afraid, no, no, no. No one knows it's tornado siren day. I don't need that. I don't need this.
You're a big boy.
Hey, Hudson, you want to roll the windows all the way down for the next one?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
It's the last
want
one, I
these?
think, maybe.
No one. What are you doing?
He doesn't want them. That was awesome.
No.
It's not done
I
yet.
hope everyone enjoyed it.
What did you say?
I hope everyone enjoyed watching it.
What? It's not done.
I know.
Yeah, I'm forgetting about the video because I know it's gonna be going.
I wonder if anyone driving their cars on the road got scared.
Is it gonna?
It's done.
It's done.
Well, thank you for watching our siren video today, guys. I hope you had fun watching the siren. Bye.